Hey guys and girls, it's Miss G again. I wanted to upload another video using Explain Everything for your third assignment. You will be annotating Chapter 1 and you're going to send a picture of the notes that you have taken for Chapter 1. I want you to be sure to include characters, setting, problem, solution, themes. This can be written, it can be typed in Google Docs, typed on your notes, whatever platform that you are the most comfortable using to complete this assignment. And what I want to do is using Explain Everything, just kind of create some headings for us to use while we read the book. All right, here we go. Sun by Lois Lowry. All right, Chapter 1. We'll underline it. All right, and here are our characters. And we'll underline it again. Y'all know I write big, so bear with me. You're doing a great job. And here's setting. Here's problem. Solution. And theme. Now I'm going to go back and add S's in parentheses because we know that this chapter may have multiple problems, solutions, multiple themes, multiple characters, multiple settings, okay? And you can make this in any font, any color, anything that you want to do, as long as you are annotating Chapter 1 and recording the vital pieces of information that you need to record. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please message me, okay? All right, guys, take care.